Welcome to divastoast.com. Today we are going to be cooking healthy with some mushroom and green pepper eggs. We are going to go ahead and prepare our board for our mushrooms as well as our green peppers. It's up to you what type of peppers you like. I like red and orange from time to time, but today I feel like green peppers. I'm going to also use cheddar cheese. I'm also going to use rice wine vinegar as well as my olive oil and a little bit of salt. And it's up to you what seasons you choose to use. You can use a little garlic as well. We're going to go ahead and cut up our mushrooms as such. Make sure that your mushrooms and your vegetables are clean with everything that is going on. Make sure that everything is prepared and cleaned. And if you like, you can also go ahead and prepare your pan. It is up to you. But make sure it's on low so that way you do not overheat the pan and burn or scorch your eggs. Go ahead and cut up the green pepper as well. Please be very careful. Now you can also go ahead and knock out the seeds that are in the peppers. Now if you want to use them, you can. That's also just as healthy, but I don't suggest that. Now it depends on what you also like. If you want to go ahead and use your whole pepper to make it much more healthier, that's going to be a lot of vegetation, but it's up to you. Next, we'll go ahead and use our olive oil. I use a light olive oil, and it depends on whatever olive oil you like. I like Bertolli. I'll go ahead and get that prepared. Of course, I already have it heated, but that just makes it all the better to just follow as we go along here. Now, we have our pan ready and waiting. Now we're going to include a little rice wine vinegar into our pan. We can also use grape tamales. It's up to you. We'll go ahead, prepare our bowl so that we can go ahead and crack our eggs. Just be very careful because you can accidentally get little bits of egg inside your recipe. There you go, see? Next, we'll put in our little cheddar cheese. You can use a little more than that. I was just showing you what I have in there. We're prepared to stir with our fork. Put a little bit of salt in there. You can use salt to taste. It's really up to you, whatever you like. You can use a little bit of garlic, a little black pepper. It's truly up to you. And make sure you stir. Stir and beat your eggs. And continue to stir. I say give that about maybe 2 minutes that you want to stir. Next, we'll go ahead and include our vegetables into the pan, just so that those can go ahead and season the pans before we place in our eggs. Ahead, place that into our mixture of peppers and mushrooms. Yum. We'll let that sit a bit just so that the eggs can get a little bit of texture white to them. Then we'll just make sure we keep stirring once it gets to that degree. We'll stir and stir. Make sure everything doesn't stick. Now, one thing I will say about these particular eggs, they are very good for digestion. So that's one thing I will suggest. The more vegetables you use, the better the digestion. Make sure our pan is nice and hot. There you go. Looks good. Very good. All right, and here we are with our finished product of our mushrooms and green pepper eggs. Enjoy.